Angels. I'm Angel, culinary school grad, retired prep cook, and retired line cook. Welcome to my channel and to another video. Let's get started. So if you're on a no-spend 2025 kick, this spare ribs recipe would be a good option. You know what? I'm sorry, I call it a no-spend kick. It's not a kick, it's a journey. And it's so much easier to make than it looks. Yeah. I'm using Korean chili sauce instead of paste. imagine how great these ribs would be for a Valentine's Day entree. They'll be falling off the bone, and you know they're always fun to eat. So, how do you like this recipe? If you like it, you know, all you have to do is give me a thumbs up. That's going to be a like. Share on all media platforms. Leave a comment down below. And come back and see what I have next time. Thank you for watching. I'll see you then. Bye. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, why don't you consider subscribing today? Do try to be the blessing to someone. And as always, many blessings and much favor until we meet again. And I will see you next time.